Hopefully the background noise isn't too bad. I'm actually in my, what I'll call my freeze dry room, and so that you can kind of see the setup. Okay, this is the freeze dryer. Sorry, I'm having to lean back. Let me come over here to the side. So this is the freeze dryer. You can see the little pillow in there. This is what I'll call the OG freeze dryer. It's quite old. The newer versions don't use that little pillow, but since mine came with it, I always put it in there. Right now going in the machine is candy. I've got some little Easter gummies that were left over from Easter, and then some taffy that I've cut up that's going in. When you do candy, you just do it at the end and just add a few more hours on, and it puffs up and becomes crunchy. You don't really have to do the freeze part of candy, just the dry part. And then this is the pump. It is brand new because my other pump, went the way of the wind. It started getting so loud that, I'm sure neighbors heard it. I'm in here right now with this thing running, and this new one, and it's not bad at all. Now, what's unique about my setup is the room it's in, I actually have an extra bathroom that I'm not using, which is lovely because I've got, as you can see, I've got a sink right here that I use for all of my, when I need to dump the water. Let me show you. Sorry, I hope this flipping isn't getting to be too crazy. But if you can see, right now it's closed because it's actually working. And then when it's done, you open up that seal, and then all the liquid comes down into there that I turn around and dump into that local sink.